In this tutorial, we will cover the PMT function in Excel. Please open the file 07 PMT Function. Financial functions let you calculate things like interest, payments, and future value. One of the most useful financial functions is the PMT function. This will calculate the payment for a loan based on periodic payments and a constant interest rate. For example, if you're taking out a $10,000 car loan at 8% interest, and know the loan needs to be paid off in 4 years, you can use the PMT function to calculate that the monthly payments for such a loan would be about $244.13. To use the PMT function, if you would, please go and click on cell A5, and we're going to calculate the monthly payments based on this lovely house for 30-year loan at 6% interest. If you would, go and click on the Insert Function icon, the FX, either on the Formula bar or on the ribbon of your Formulas tab. Click on that and you'll get the Insert Function window opened up. Now with your categories, click the drop down and go and choose Financial. And of the different financial functions, scroll down and look for PMT. And you'll see it, PMT, again, calculates the payment for a loan based on constant payments and a constant interest rate. If you had questions about this or wanted more information, you can click on the Help hyperlink to get more information from office.microsoft.com. Go ahead and click OK. And here's our function arguments. You'll see that rate, INPER, and PV are bold, which means something must be in those boxes for the function to work. FV, future value, and type are normal text, so these boxes are optional to fill in. In the rate box, our rate is our interest rate. Go and click on A4. Now, A4, of course, calculates information based on a yearly amount. Well, we need to divide that by 12 to do it for each month. So go ahead and type in / in 12. Then click in the INPER box for number of payments. You can also press your Tab key to jump into that box. The number of payments is over 30 years, but we also need to multiply that. So go ahead and type in Shift-8 and 12 to calculate that for 12 months over the 30 years. Press your Tab key, and the present value is up there in cell A2. So go ahead and click on cell A2, and that gives us our information that you're working. You'll even see an example down there of the formula result to show what our result would be. Since this is money coming out of your pocket, you'll see it's a negative sign. Go ahead and click OK, and you should see a $119,910.11 monthly payment to pay off that $20 million price tag. Now, if you want to make a slight change to it, so rather than it being seen as a negative number, you'll just need to multiply it by a negative amount. Click up in the formula bar there between the equal and the PMT, type in a minus sign, and you can hit enter, and you'll see it comes out as a positive value. Not really critical on there, but it's a nice little way to make it look a little nicer as you're working and using the PMT function in the future.